Push a queer pimple and a baby or the quay dear. It's a picture of the better one, and our choice. I say 5 years now, you have been exposing this stupid breast on social media. You are still single. Abuata. Stop small boys and treat your smelly body. Think before you talk, because your decision is for yourself. Who go naked more than you, old fool?
Listen, no one should try me today because I'm being nice. You get me? As you can see, I'm so beautiful. I'm a mother. I'm sexy. You get me? And I don't even have friends to fuck their boyfriends. I won't buy kambu for someone's husband and you fuck me for free. You have been sponsoring the boy's kambu. All the food the boy has been wearing, you have been sponsoring for him. You get me? Yes. They got married. You were sitting at the marriage. You said I've been naked on social media and I'm still single. Mommy, are you married? Your video that we saw that men were using their feet to tap your juice. Men were using their feet, oh, no hand, no their feet. Master, don't bring yourself. If not.
Washina mwina munim no jiche yante na beef ninya baya na cheche the bro wena ekua pimpolo ene sister Ifia they really going hard na ekua pimpolo the one say ono gota mu no fiba nti wo ye se oba be ye no hu fia obenya daja ma papa nti akoswa ma ekua pimpolo eka cheche Ifia you be naked on the internet for 3 years and you are still single. Sister, get dressed. Inti cheche na ye share crapim polo senior we do be we do ya. I shall now no strategy account because I shall share on who no the did in time and gradually no onya more followers, onya more fame no one say or training who a day free shania man who. I don't subscribe to such strategy, but one say he has been very strategic. He has been very strategic with senior oye ni nyama no. Nti akwa masisia no ton honey a chese nkofoto maninya ni sika hali shobo nse obianka na sister ekwapimpolo ebe kashade eti obiana se obeye obi. Nti we na akache sister afiase we you honsa for so long and after say why shania mani na we no still I still fucking around and I still single.